Good morning everyone. My name is Rishabh Sharma and I am assistant professor. Today the session is on entrepreneurship and startup for angel fund and it will be guided and enlightening by Professor Ina. So please kindly ensure to have your mind and proper concept of the speaking itself of Ina. So I would like to call Ms. Ina to come on the stage and like to
Versus venture capital funding opportunity for early stage entrepreneur. So, in today's topic, I will discuss with you then with the help of angel investors and the venture capital, how we start the new business activity and how we create some funds with the help or with the support of these two most important terms or items. Start a business or businesses. Entrepreneur is a person who creates some new business with some innovative ideas and bearing most of the profit and almost sharing all of the risk. So entrepreneur is an individual who creates, develop and manage the business venture, taking on financial risk with the hope of earn more and more profit. Entrepreneurs are seen as an innovator because with the help of entrepreneur, we introducing so many new ideas, product or services to the market. So in a brief, we can say that entrepreneur plays a very important role in the economy. With the help of entrepreneur, we also create new product with the innovation, also creating jobs and also contribute to the economic growth. We can say that entrepreneur are the change maker of the society. Why we call entrepreneur change maker of the society? Because with the help of entrepreneur, we create so many innovative products and also introduced these products in the market. Through their hard work and innovation, they not only build his business, but they also inspire others and contribute to the growth of the economy. So entrepreneur directly or indirectly plays a very important role for the economy growth and also helps for introducing new product in the market. Next. Next one is the meaning of investment. As we know, entrepreneur plays a very crucial role. With the help of entrepreneur, we also introduced or produces some innovative product in the market. So we also need some type of investment in the business activity. So investment refers to allocation of resources with the expectations of generating income or profit. We can say that investment is an asset or property which we acquire to generate income or profits. So the main purpose of investment is to grow wealth over time. We also generate investment through the various sources. We have a lot of sources. With the support of these sources, we generate our investment. So basically, we generate the investment from the different sources, that is capital appreciation, rental income and dividend. These are the three most important concepts or sources. With the help of these sources or concept, we generate investment and invest the money into the business activity and generate more and more profit. So we can say that investment is not just a money, it is about vision. Smart investment always help for business growth and also create so many new opportunity for the business, which also help for the future. The primary goal of investing is to grow wealth and achieve the financial goals. These are the most important goals of the investment. So with the help of these investment, we grow our wealth and also achieve financial goals. So in brief, we can say that with the help of entrepreneur, with the help of investment, we start up the new business activity. The question arises, how we generate the investment, right? How we generate the investment from the different sources. We have a lot of sources. With the support or with these sources, we start up the new business activity. So in the today's topic, I will discuss basically or most important two items. With the help of these two terms, we generate the income, we start up the new business activity, and we grow the business activity. So the most important source which are also help for start up the new business activity is that angel investors. Who are angel investors? My basic question is, who are angel investors? We can say that angel investors are the wealthy persons. Wealthy persons are those who have a lot of money, right? Who have a lot of money and they're ready to spend this money for start up the new business activity. So we can say that angel investors are the wealthy individual who have lot of money and they spend their money for start up the many new business activities. So angel investor is an individual who provides financial back to early stage startup or small business. Angel provide initial seed capital. See, initial seed capital means who also gives some amount of money for start up the new business activity. When we have no money for start up the new business activity, then we can help the angel investors. With the support of angel investors, we also start up so many business activities. So angel investors provide initial seed money for start up the new business activity. In return, they also get some ownership or equity portion of the company share. Angel investors plays a very crucial role for start up the new business activity, and angel investors are the true supporter. We always call angel investor are the backbone of many successful ventures capital. With the help of angel capital money, we start up so many business activity without the fear of risk. Angel investors are the true supporter of the innovation and entrepreneurship. They not only provide seed capital, but timely, they give some guidance, some support for the startup, the new business activity. So we call angel investors are the real backbone of many successful ventures capital. Here is the example of angel investors. Angel investors are those who provide seed capital or funds to the entrepreneur to start up the new business activity. We can say that in return, entrepreneur also give some portion of ownership or equity to the angel investors. Is it clear to all who are angel investors? So here are the some advantages. With the support of angel investor, we also take some advantages. We also take some financial support, and we enjoy lot of benefits with the support of angel investor. First, the main most important advantage of angel investor is that early stage funding. Early stage funding means angel investors always provide financial support to the entrepreneur to start up the new business activity. Second, flexible term. As compared to the another financial institution, angel investors provide more and more flexible funds as compared to the another financial institutions of investors. Third, guidance. Angel investors timely give some guidance support to the for the startup of the new business activity in the most effective and efficient way. Fourth, speedily. Angel investors take all the decisions very quickly. They manage all the business activities very quickly without the interference of any other person. Less bureaucracy. It means as compared to the another financial institution, angel investor are less formal and it does not involve lot of formalities, process and procedure. So these are the advantages of angel investors. So with the help of angel investors, we without any fear we start up so many business activity because angel investors are always ready for spend their or invest their money into the business. Here are the some disadvantages of angel investor are as below. So there are so many drawbacks of angel investors. Discuss with you one by one. First one is equity dilution. So in this process, we can say that when angel investor ready for start up the new business activity, they spend some portion of income for start up the new business activity. In return, they get the some portion of equity or funds from the investor. So this is one of the biggest disadvantage of the angel investors. Second, control. Angel investors have full control on the business activity. They don't want anyone interfere in this business activity, anyone interfere in this business matter. So they take all the important decision himself or herself and they control all the activities. Third, limited funds. Angel investor is only one person who are willing to invest their money to start up the new business activity. So they have limited funds, they have limited capital. So this is the another important drawback of the angel investor. Next, expectations and pressure. Angel investor always expect high return from the investment. They want more and more they expect more and more income from the investment. And last, not all angel investors have full knowledge related to the activity. Sometimes some angel investors are not fully aware of the business activity. They don't know how they manage the activity. They don't know how we control the activity. They don't know how you create discipline in the business activity. So these are the disadvantages of angel investors. So in next topic I will explain you then there are different types of angel investors. With the help of these angel investors, we invest their money into the business activity and we start up so many business activity with the support of these angel investors. So angel investors are divided into different types based on the background, based on the motivations and based on the investment approaches. So on the basis of the background, on the basis of motivation, on the basis of investment approaches, we divide or distribute the angel investor. First is the serial entrepreneur. These are the successful entrepreneurs. They sold their old investment in the new startup. So these are the serial entrepreneurs. Corporate angels. Corporate angels belong to the corporate sector. These are individuals who are the former employees in large corporation. Now they want to spend their savings into the business activity so that they get more and more return from the investment. Third, professional angels. There are some professional persons which are related to doctor, accountant, consultant. They have a lot of money and they want to spend their money into the business activity. So they invest their savings for start up the new business activity because they know if they spend a small portion of their income into the business activity, in return they get high rate of return from the investment. Next, high net worth individuals. High net worth individuals who are wealthy individuals who have a lot of money and they want to spend their lot of money for the start of the new business activity. Family and friends. We also raise the funds. We also raise the money from the family and the friends member. When our family or friends member ready to invest their saving for start up the new business activity, then we also create a good relation with the family or friends. With the support of family and friends, we also raised so many capital and we start up some new business activities. Super angels. Super angels are those angels who have very actively participate in the business activity and they have a lot of experience. With their experience and activeness, they spend their small portion of their income for start up the new business activity. Last but not least, crowdfunding angels. Crowdfunding angels are those angels who collect the large amount of money from the large number of persons through the online platform. With the help of online platform, we also gather some money. We also collect some money for start up so many business activity. So these are the advantages, disadvantages and types of angel investors. So we can conclude that with the support of angel investor, we start our business activity very smoothly. With the support of angel investor, we also start the new business activity and we achieve all the goals of the business. So the most important concept is the venture capital. So we discussed two most important concepts. One is the angel investor and second one is the venture capital. Both plays a very important role in the business activity and both are the biggest supporter for start up the new business activity. So next one is the venture capital. So venture capital and angel investor both are play a very important role in the business point of view. So venture capital, we can say that venture capital is the type of private equity, the finance provided by the investor. Again, we also need some different type of finance for start up the new business. Then we approach to the venture capitalized firm. Venture capitalized firm involves lot of investors, individual, institutions, societies who have a lot of money and they're ready to spend their money for start up the new business activities. So, venture capital helps start up an innovative business grow faster by providing financial support and advice. In today's, we can see that in the business world, venture capital is one of the strongest pillars for innovation and entrepreneurship. With the support of venture capitalized firm, we again raise the capital and we again start up the new business activity. Venture capital always expect more rate of return from the investment. They also get some portion of equity and funds from the investors. Venture capital, in a simple word, we can say that venture capital is the money invested in the business usually to start up the new business activity. Venture capital generally came from investors, financial institutions, and so many persons directly or indirectly involved in the venture capitalized firm. So here are the some advantages of venture capital. So some advantages of venture capital. First of all, venture capital always provide funds for startup the so many business activity, right? Venture capital also gives some guidance. Some also share their experience with the investors so that they don't face so many problems for start up the new business activity. With the support of venture capitalized firm, we start up so many business activity and we create good network connection with the employee, with the customer. Next one is validation and credibility. With the support of venture capital, it also enhances startup credibility and easier to attract additional funding, talent, and customer. Funding. With the support of angel invest, with the help of venture capitalized firm, venture capitalized participate in multiple round of funding, provide lot of financial support for the growth of the business and scale. Resources assess. We also assess so many resources and infrastructure of the venture capital firm, including marketing, HR support, operations, and it also reduces the cost. Focus on long-term growth. Venture capitalized main motive or main focus for long-term growth of the business activity. So that's why they spend a large amount of money for start up the business activity and they want more and more return from the investment. Strategic partnership. Venture capitalized also create good partnership with another person so that combinedly they have a lot of money and they set up so many business activities and achieve all the business activities. So next is the difference between venture capital and the angel investors. One of the most important first sources of fund. Angel investors high net worth individual who invest their own money for start up the new business activity. But we can say that in the venture capital, invest pooled fund and they also collect these funds from many investors, institutions, corporations and the wealthy individual. Second, investment size. We can say that the investment size of the angel investor are small because angel investors spend their own money. If you spend their own money, then you have a limited liability and you have limited sources of funds. But venture capital have a large amount, so they invest large amount of saving from for start up the new business activity because venture capital involves lot of person, investors, institutions, corporations and wealthy individuals. So with the help of these four, we gather some large amount of money and we spend this money for start up so many business activity. Next is the stages of investment. We can say that angel investors focus on early stage startup. They provide seed and pre-seed funding involvement. But when we can say that venture capitalized firm, venture capitalized invest in the later stage, including series A, B, C. Fourth one is the angel investors also give some guidance, advice, their personal experience and network. With their personal experience and network, they share their experience with the employee and also help for start up the new business activity. On the other hand, venture capital also provide strategic support and usually through board positions and formal structure. From the risk point of view, we can say that angel investors willing to take high risk because due to potential for high return. But as we compare to the angel investors, venture capital also take high risk. They tend to invest in startup with some level of validations. Investment decisions. Angel investor take all the decision very quickly and it's less formal because angel investors involves only one person who start up the business or who are ready for contribute their money. But venture capital is the time consuming method and they take there is more time consuming method. They take more and more decision with the support of investors, with the support of institutions, with the help of member venture capitalized partnership. Next one is return. Return expectations. Both are expect high rate of return from the investment. So angel investors always want high return because their investment horizon may be shorter. But venture capital also seek high return because they prepared long-term investment horizon. We can say that 5 to 10 years. Number of investment. Typically, angel investors start up limited personal capital, but venture capital start up lot of capital with the support of lot of involvement of the persons. So these is a major difference between the venture capital and the angel investor. Both are directly or indirectly helps for start up the new business activity. The major difference is that angel investors involve only one person and venture capital involves lot of person who directly or indirectly support for start up the new business activities. Challenges. Here are the some challenges faced by the investor for start up the so many business activity. At the time of start up the new business activity, we face so many challenges. First, the most important challenge faced by the investor is high risk and uncertain. As we know, future is uncertain. We never expect the future. So, early stage risk. Early stage startup, lack of track record, it is very difficult to predict the future successfully. We never forecast the future because future is uncertain. Uncertain about market acceptation, market stability. So it is very difficult to start up the new business activity for the future point of view. Second, due diligence complex. With the limited financial history and incomplete data, it makes the venture capital and the angel investor more complex. It is very difficult then we accurately start up the new business activity because we have a lack of historical financial performance and historical financial information. Without the support of information, we never collect the information and we never invest these money for startups so many business activities. Finding the right opportunity. The another challenge faced by the investor that find out the right opportunity for right time. It is very difficult to find out the opportunities from the investor point of view. The investors also find lot of problems, lot of difficulties at the time of start up the new business activity. It is very difficult then we start, we find out which opportunities we grab or which opportunities we ignore. Fourth, alignment of interest. Ensuring that founders and investors have a same vision and goals. If your investors and founder have no same vision and goals, it is very difficult to find out the correct way and it is very difficult to take all the important decisions. As we know, market is dynamic and it is very difficult to work in a dynamic structure. Regulatory and legal risk. Venture capital and angel investors always have lot of rules, regulations and legal risk. Seventh one is managing investor expectations. It is very difficult then to manage the expectations of the individual. You manage the expectations of the entrepreneur. So here are the some real life examples. Here are the some real life example who are the actual angel investors and venture capitalized of the firm. We can say that Flipkart founder Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. Angel investor is the Ashish Gupta. Ashish Gupta is the angel investor of the Flipkart company. They at the initial point they also provide some amount of funds. They also provide some funds for start up the new business activity to the Flipkart company. Invested in the Flipkart early stage and also provide crucial support. Early investors play a very important role for the successful of the business. Initial funding allow Flipkart to build an e-commerce platform and compete in Indian market. The support from investors are plays very important role in operation and expand the product activity. Next one is the Zomato. Zomato funder Dipinder Goyal and angel investors Kunal and Rohit Bansal. At the initial stage, they also provide some funds for start up this Zomato activity. They also give some guidance and support and financial support to the Zomato company at the early investors who also help Zomato at the initial report. Initial funding allows Zomato to scale its operation, develop to platform and expand the restaurant database. With the support of Zomato, we do so many activities very quickly and fastly, and we never face any problem with the help of or with the financial support of the Zomato. So thank you.